Physically, mentally, emotionally, our farm program is giving back to our community. My name is Elva Mendez. I am the CNP Assistant Farmer at IDEA Eastside. I would describe the farm programs here at IDEA as fruitful. We have a 1/4 acre of land, and within that 1/4 acre, we're producing so much that we can feed hundreds of students. What I would like for families and parents to know about IDEA farm programs is that we're here as a service for your child.
Is that fluffy?
We have some great farmers out here that are really trying to teach students, not just on sustainability, not just about the environment, but how to also take care of ourselves. I think that they enjoy the fact that they are learning, working together and working as a community. What we're doing here at Eastside every day is showing up. I think it just shows how much we care for the students, to want them to be able to eat the freshest things. My name is Elva Mendez, and I am IDEA.